Okay, I'm doing another video. It still is Tuesday, the February the 25th, and I just got my Amazon order of my navy flats. So I thought I would share them with you. This is what they are, if you can see that. They're size 8, navy blue, and the brand is Paravano. I'm not sure how you say that. So this is how it came. And let's see, blah, blah, blah. Let's open this up. I have not seen them yet. Oh, this is nice. Each one is in a little bag. Ooh, they look pretty. There they are. See, I just need something on there. And that, I mean, I know it's got a bow, but that gold part to me makes it look, these were expensive. More expensive. So there's my navy flats. Kind of a smell to them. So I will try these on and let you know if they fit. But these were, I got $7 off. What were they? They were like 110 or something. But I've looked everywhere and I cannot find navy flats. There's the name of the company that I was happy with. These are stiff. I mean, they're not floppy, that's for sure. They did have a square toe, but I was concerned that might look a little goofy, like ballet-ish or something. They had a lot, not this company, but there were a lot of navy flats that had like a little teeny bow, like a shoestring bow, and I didn't like that. So I'm gonna give these a try, and I will also let you know how these turned out. See ya.